Our vision is one of their most important senses. Our eyes give us almost 90% of all the information from the world. But, unfortunately, as we age, we start losing our vision and have more and more eye problems. We are all aware that elderly people have more health problems than young people. But when it comes to homemade remedies, both groups of people use them. We all know that science has made a great progress in the field of medicine. People use eyeglasses or contact lenses, but some of them also use laser surgeries that can help them restore their vision. Unfortunately, the surgeries aren't always a safe option because they can cause various side effects, eye problems or even blindness. The main ingredient in this recipe is saffron, a spice that's extremely effective in eye problems. Saffron or Kesar is a rich source of antioxidants and carotenoids. High concentration of natural carotenoids, crocin, crocetin, picrocrocin, and flavonoids present in saffron helps to protect the lens and retina of aging eyes. How to use saffron to improve your eyesight. Saffron water. Add 8-10 fresh organic saffron strands to a cup of boiling water. Keep it closed for 10 minutes. Have a cup of warm saffron water daily in the morning or evening to preserve eye health. Saffron tea. To 1 cup of boiled milk, add sugar and 10 strands of saffron. Boil it on low flame and switch off after 5 minutes. There is no need of straining the tea. Sip this and get the benefits of saffron for eye. Saffron with salads. You can add about 20 milligrams of saffron powder or 10 strands of saffron to your favorite salads. 1 tablespoon lemon juice and ½ teaspoon salt can also be added. You can have this saffron for macular degeneration prevention. Saffron and honey. Mix 20 milligrams of organic saffron or Kesar powder to 2 teaspoons of honey and have it. Consumption of this once daily will increase the retinal response and sensitivity to light and improve vision. Saffron rice. Add powdered organic saffron to the water you are using for preparing rice. It is better to follow the absorption method here, because straining may remove the saffron powder from the rice. You can have this twice daily. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking subscribe button, and then tapping the bell icon, so you will be first know when we post the videos.